Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are excited to bring you the lowdown on the Honor X6b, a smartphone that's set to make waves. Let's dive in and discover what this device has in store for us. Design and durability. The Honor X6b presents a sleek design with a comfortable grip. It's not just about aesthetics. This phone is built to last with its robust construction. And with a variety of colors like forest green and starry purple, it's as much a fashion statement as it is a tech powerhouse. Display and clarity. Featuring a 6.56-inch TFT LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, the Honor X6b promises smooth visuals and bright images, peaking at 780 nits. Whether you're gaming or streaming, the display is designed to impress. Performance and multitasking. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset and up to 6GB of RAM, the Honor X6b is ready for multitasking and smooth performance. Plus, with Honor RAM Turbo technology, you can get an extra boost when you need it. Camera and imaging. Capture your world with the Honor X6b's 50MP AI ultra-clear camera. Day or night, this camera is equipped to deliver clear and vibrant photos. And with a depth sensor to add, your portraits are going to stand out. Battery and charging. The 5200 mAh battery ensures you have enough power to get through the day, and with 35W charging, you won't be tethered to an outlet for long. It's all about staying powered and ready to go. Software and experience. With Android 14 and Magic OS 8, the Honor X6b offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. It's a seamless blend of performance and usability, tailored to meet your needs. Final thoughts. The Honor X6b is a testament to Honor's commitment to quality and performance. With its combination of solid specs and user-focused features, it's a device that's sure to attract attention. Conclusion. Thanks for tuning in to our overview of the Honor X6b. If you're as excited about this phone as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, keep loving tech.